Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's day 10, and today we have a little bit more time than yesterday, so we'll be able to get done a lot more, hopefully. Yeah, I got a little list here. First of all, we're going to poly the end tables, the underside of them, and get them all mounted to the legs. And then we're going to finish building these bench legs here. Get that all done. And then we're going to be sanding. I want to sand down the bench top. I had a little bit of bubbles because there's quite a bit more cracks on the top for some reason. So we're going to sand that off. And then also the tree cookie, just get that sanded nicely where the crack was and do one more coat of epoxy on that. That should be good. Plus, I'm hoping I have enough time to start on another project today. So, yeah, here we go. Should be good. So that's the end of day 10. Thanks for watching the whole video. And we didn't quite get as much done as we wanted to. Well, we did get most of the things done on the list. Actually, we got done all of them. Except this bench legs didn't really turn out the way I wanted. I don't know. If there's... I'm working with the wood I got. It's all rough lumber. And it's kind of... I don't know. I wish I had a planer. That would make it easier to get everything a little bit nicer, but somewhere during the build process, as you can see, it is a little rocky. Maybe I can salvage it through some ways, or maybe I might just have to build a whole new leg design. I have an idea for another leg design, but maybe we can revive this one in a way. If you guys have any ideas on what I could do to make this a little less wobbly, let me know in the comments. Or another leg design for a bench. I think the legs are 32 inches long by I think it's only 8 inches wide. That's the max width it can be. But yeah, if you have any ideas, please let me know. I'm open to suggestions. But yeah, that's about it. Oh, well, I did have to do a little bit of touch-ups on the painting, so I wasn't able to mount those yet. I did that earlier today. But yeah. So also, I'm going to be planning on building another. I did find I had some old trapezoid legs from another tabletop. No, they were just sitting in the house by my stuff. Some old metal trapezoid legs from an old table I think we got from the thrift store or something that I reused. But I'm gonna try to use those in some sort of a table, probably a side table. If worst comes to worst, they would probably almost, although they might be a little bit too wide on the top for the bench legs. But if worst comes to worst, I can always use those for the bench. But I would like to make my own design. Like, I don't know, I thought this was a decent design, but didn't quite work out. But maybe I can revive it. I usually always tend to be able to revive stuff. But yeah, again, thanks for watching. This is day 10. The money is coming soon, I promise. It's a slow start, but once we get the money flowing, I'm sure we'll be able to do it. Get some good cash for some of these projects. But quality over quantity. See you.